you saw the visible pollution, like the big plastics, but you also warn the public of the microplastic, of the effect on our health, on our bodies, on the animals, on the biosphere. So what is the danger?
Yes, I mean, we have our pillar, we like to say our pillars from Voice of the Ocean, is because we personally are not scientists ourselves, but we had scientists aboard. We have marine biologists aboard. Katarina is one of our crew members. She crossed the Atlantic and the Pacific with us. And parallel to what we saw and what we've been, we have a scientific pillar, we have an educational pillar, which is very important. We have an art pillar, and innovation as well. And one of the things we did was trying to find in different places projects that could, that showed what the microplastics are doing to our organisms. And we had some incredible studies that, here on the coast of Brazil, in the US as well, in the Pacific. And Voice of the Ocean is not only happening on the boat. We had a scientific project that happened simultaneously on the coast of Brazil. There were 4 women scientists that drove all the way from the south of Brazil until Belém, and they collected bivalves, which is mussels and oysters, and they collected in each place they stopped. And the scientific research and results are going to be out here, I think on the 22nd, the results are going to be out, and showing, where the microplastics are and how impactful they are in the human body. We had a research in, I think it was in Natal, in the University of Natal, that they opened up the fish and showing how microplastic, putting some chemicals and showing where the microplastic would show up on the fish, and it was on the skin of the fish. It was very scary. And this, of course, affects us. We know now that almost every single human being has microplastic in their organism, so it's very scary. And it's very similar to cigarettes. Before, cigarettes in the beginning was like, oh, it's not harmful, and then once it starts showing how harmful it is, people start realizing, wow, this is really impactful. And that's what's happening now with the plastic pollution and microplastic. People are realizing, studies are coming out each day. There's new studies coming out and proving and showing how harmful they are, and that yes, they are already in our bloodstream. They are in the placenta. They are everywhere in our in our human bodies, and that's really affecting us.